Yan. Okay, so good afternoon. It's Monday. Happy Monday. It's anong araw ba ngayon? It's July 14 and today magpapagupit ako ng hair. Again, papagupit na naman para lahat na ng vlogs ko nagpapagupit ako. Pero ayan, ayoko kasi na medyo kumakapal yung gilid ng buhok ko. That's why every 2 to 3 weeks I always get my haircut done. Hintay ko na lang din na matapos yung sinaing ko kasi ayoko maiwang nakasaksak siya pag lumabas ako ng condo. Anyway, that's it for the first update. So, happy Wednesday. It's July 16 today and we are going to the office since RTO day natin today. Wala naman masyadong ganap, to be honest. I am just preparing for work and then I'll be out in a few. Mag-grab na lang din ako papunta ng office para mabilis. I'm planning to go for ang kasana pero nga lang sabi ko or probably joyride. Kaso nga lang naisip ko may dala kasi akong laptop. So, I'd rather go with Grab. Okay. Happy Friday. It's July 25. Today, it's Friday. Finally Friday. We've made it to Friday. Initially, I was actually planning na i-vlog yung days ko from Monday up to Friday. Like yung work week ko. Unfortunately, hindi siya kaya ng time ko dahil kakalipat lang namin ng new system nung Monday. Nung Monday lang kami nag-live and I don't think it would be possible for me to be able to like film habang alam mo yun, nagta-transition kami. Ang dami kasing nangyayari left and right. Ang daming moving pieces. I wasn't able to, sorry for my voice, I wasn't able to film this week until now. Hello, happy Saturday. I am just preparing to go outside dahil pupunta tayo ng SMP's pangit ang angle ng camera. Ano ba yan? Anyway, punta ako ng SMP's to do some grocery shopping. Guys na ako ng buhok, nakapis na ako. And, ang awkward na angle ng camera. We are finally back home. Finally, natapos na yung grocery shopping natin. Di naman sobrang dami ng binili ko ngayon, pero I really need to stock up. And napaayos ko na rin yung salamin ko. Finally. And what else? I feel so productive dahil natapos ko siya today kasi kanina nung pagising ko, sabi ko, nakakatamad talagang tumayo and gusto ko na lang magstay indoors. But then, yun nga, I really have to, get this grocery shopping done dahil wala na akong makakain dito if I'm not gonna go outside today. Well, I can still do that tomorrow, pero tomorrow kasi I have a tentative plan in place na kung matutuloy yun, I won't have time to do grocery shopping. So, ayun, that's it. Di naman nakakapagod today, pero muntik na lumakas yung ulan. Buti na nga nakauwi ako kasi if naabutan ako dun sa pila, then medyo basa yung mga grocery items natin today. Anyway, that's the only update that I have. Happy Saturday, guys. Oh my. It's exactly 2 p.m. Nag-alarm ako para bumili ng Cup of Joe Stardust ticket. So, tingin itsura ko ngayon, hayop na yan. It's exactly 2 p.m. and I'm waiting ngayon na makapasok sa website. It's loading. God, I think ito na yun. Shit, kailangan ko nang bumili. Ito na yun. October 11 at 8 p.m. Okay, I'm not a robot. Oh, come on. I'm not a robot. Please. Shucks. Bisan mo. Oh, God. I swear. Okay. Huh? 2,000 plus customers are ahead of you. Hello. It's a Saturday afternoon. It's actually 3:13 p.m. at pupunta tayo sa Kainta to play badminton today. And I'm just so proud of myself this week dahil despite having a very busy schedule, despite having a lot of things to do, I was able to go to the gym 3 times and nakapag-jog din ako ng twice. Last week, since Saturday, today, and today we're gonna play badminton. Nakakatuwa, alam niyo yun, kasi kahit na, yung nabanggit ko kanina, sobrang daming ginawa this week, I was still able to, stay active. And today, maglalaro tayo ng badminton. So, it's a very, very helpful thing to have this on on a weekly basis or on a bi-weekly basis kasi yung goal ko nga is to lose weight and build some muscles. And hopefully, makita na natin yung results soon. Pero ayun, yun lang naman. I'll be going downstairs since it's already 3:15 and 3:15 kami magkikita-kita. So that's it. I'll bring you with me.